In our overview, I talked about the importance of time as a value enabler and 4 themes I believe are key to fully exploiting the value of time in building competitive advantage. The 3rd theme is an important one in the development of true business value. The concept centers on taking a number of disruptive technologies which give you exponential value and using the impact of time value to compound their benefit even further. Over the holidays, I was struck by many of the TV commercials that promised real value faster than known traditional methods. While vacationing in image-conscious California, one commercial in particular caught my attention, an advertisement for a non-surgical tummy tuck. You basically smeared some cream on your body and then put on a full or partial girdle. The before and after pictures were compelling, but most everyone knows if you put a compression garment on, you'll look and feel thinner as soon as you take it off because it basically has compressed your body. Sound funny? At the time, my family and I were roaring with laughter at the absurdity of such a value proposition. But the fact is, the basic tenets of marketing were there. A promise to achieve results faster and cheaper than traditional invasive methods. But as we all know, it doesn't work, not even for 30 minutes. The same issue applies to business solutions. Think about things you buy every day for your business. Computers, networking equipment, storage, etc. Very rarely do these solutions encompass the entire value chain necessary to deliver real business value. Let me give you a real-world example. At a previous company where I worked, we decided to automate the process of managing claims in our benefits administration business. We decided to replace all of our manual systems with an automated system that would track the case using CRM, move the claims information efficiently using imaging technology, and develop a knowledge base so claims adjudicators would need less time to come up to speed. The idea was that claim information would be scanned, tied to a record, and served up to the agent, all digitally. Using disruptive technologies, we would shorten the process and change the fundamentals of our business model. Our operations team thought we could double our efficiency and provide better business intelligence as a result. Well, there was a dramatic impact. Our claims agents, who could process 12 claims an hour the old-fashioned way, could now process 8 claims an hour. But what happened? The imaging technology only presented one image at a time, making it more difficult for the agent to look at all the documentation at once. To make matters worse, this new system was so heavyweight it required every server, every network, and every PC to be upgraded. Eventually, a $15 million investment for just a $35 million company. What's required to be successful in achieving a positive compounding effect is to understand the technology in the context of the environment and the business process. Ask yourself these questions. If I improve one area, how many other areas of my business will be affected, either positively or negatively? Is that impact acceptable? What can I do to minimize the impact, or is it impossible? If I'm unable to show how my primary benefit doesn't have secondary effects, I'm not compounding. This is a good case for data governance. I recently met with a customer who was frustrated with an underlying system that was so old they never thought they could govern it. The frustration is understandable, since the system was homegrown and little could be done to update the code. Many companies find themselves in this situation, but it can be dealt with. First, I can define the types of data I want out of the system, and I can control the type of information going into the system. So by applying governance, I can isolate the issues by controlling what goes in and what comes out. This is both a process and a product issue. I can define the policies around the data in the system and then use a product such as MDM to control the data itself. By doing this, I can give the existing system a new life and extend its value over time. I recommend you think about 3 key elements when considering whether or not a technology purchase can have the compounding effect everyone is looking for. First, will it improve your existing system or replace it? Make sure you have a clear objective in mind. Our model-based approach can help you evaluate different scenarios. Second, once you have that objective in mind, make sure you identify any secondary improvements in adjacent business processes. This could bolster your business case. We can use our workflow and collaboration technologies to help you understand the impact to your bottom line. Finally, think very clearly about business value. If you can show how it will improve the business process overall, you're more likely to get executive support for your project. At Kaleido, our mission is to enable you to manage data as a shared enterprise asset. These tips will help you get started on your journey.